Good evening, everybody. I am Busy Dad. And today, we're gonna make chicken sandwiches. Now look, chicken sandwiches maybe don't sound that exciting, but when you're a busy person, this is the kind of thing that you occasionally eat for dinner. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with that, because these are not normal, flat, tasteless sandwiches. These are gonna be great. I thought I'd make a video about some of the things that we actually eat when we're busy. Because my whole point of this channel is to prove that you could cook well and have a healthy dinner or lunch or breakfast without spending too much of your day doing that. So we've got here the beginning of our sandwich. It's the bread. This is from When Pigs Fly Bakery. It's some awesome oats and honey bread. It's so good. In here, we've got our grilled chicken, which is going to go on here. This is going to be great. So what we're going to do first is toast these. We're going to spray them with a little bit of coconut oil before we get them under the broiler. And so yes, this is going to be a warm, maybe even hot, sandwich. When this bread comes out of the oven, it looks a bit like this. Wow, it smells buttery. It smells really good. So, on top of the bread, pretty simple. Chicken, first step. On top of that, we've got some pepper jack cheese. 1, 2, and 3. And then on top of that, salad greens, freshly washed. That feels like possibly too many. We'll see. I've got buttery sandwich all over my hands now. Can't forget the garnish and a toothpick to hold all this together. Ta-da! Alright, small one. Guess who this is for? Put a few pieces of salad green in here. Not too much. And tomato. Look at that. I think that looks pretty tasty. You saw this only took a couple minutes to put together. Hope you like it if you make it yourself. Here's the deal, you can make a grilled toasted sandwich like this at home for dinner. It's super easy, it's super fast, and it's gonna be delicious. On top of this, I don't make people accept what I put in. They can choose ranch, ketchup, whatever you like. Hope you like this video. Consider subscribing, hit that like button. Thumbs up, let me know in comments what you'd like to see. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.